Oh, the ranch is so beautiful. When I came, I didn't get chance to actually visit the entire ranch, but I got a chance to do a walk this morning, and I can see lot and lot of options for adventure over here. You got horse riding, they've got the rappelling, the skywalk, the camps, the tent areas and all that. So that was really amazing to explore. On top of that, because I come from a certain kind of background wherein I like to serve cows, and I saw that there were some camels here. So that was really amazing. Just got a chance to do a little bit of seva. So yeah, that's about it. And talking about the weather is so beautiful today. I mean, it's
It
so
was
windy.
refreshing, right?
Yeah, super refreshing. We came here for yoga and meditation. We sat in the yoga shala, and the breeze and everything made the experience amplified almost 10 times than what we expected. So yeah, it's a lovely place.